Okay, there's that picnic area where I was just at, but we've got deer up there, bucks. They got their antlers. Gosh, if I would have noticed them, I would have walked over next to the fence and. Okay, now we can take a closer look. No deer. Look at the rack. That explains that do not feed the deer sign back there. There's the one that's right next to the closer even. Chewing his cud. Looks like this one back here has the bigger rack. Okay, I'm ready.
Let me get one.
Let's see, what time is that? 12:30. You're saying a couple hours. Well, you're on the other side of Bryce Canyon too, though. So.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll just slowly drive through here, and
There you
look,
go.
there's the Gifford House Museum and store there. Here's a horse. Another one. The barn. There's where the campground is. I gotta drive through that campground, but at least you can see it from here. Is it open year round or?
I think so.
Okay, I would think so. It's not any worse here than those other places that's open. Oh, 20-mile road round trip. Oh my gosh. I didn't think it was that far. Easy. Oh, yeah, there's a.
Our pass should do it.
Yeah. I think we can just continue on. I think I'll leave that up. Capitol Reef National Park. Check it out. Whoa, bump. All that red is up there. Man, nice. Gosh, look how rugged it is. It must be the end of the pavement here.
And we can go on.
I suppose. Going to Capitol Gorge.
At the visitor center, this was two-wheel drive, navigable.
Oh yeah.
We have all-wheel drive, so we'll be fine.
Yeah, this isn't bad. Hmm. Here's the end of the road. Capitol Gorge Road. We'll get out and look around here for a second. Let's see what this sign says first. We're not going on any trails from here, but Capitol Gorge Trailhead. Wow. And they also have the Golden Throne Trail. Okay, have a spur trail in Capitol Gorge Trail too. Okay, that feature is Golden Throne. You're seen from the end of the Golden Throne Trail. So we walked into the trail, that's what we'll be looking at. There we go. Ha. See, there's where we are. There's the Capitol Gorge Trail there. And the Golden Throne goes that direction. So Capitol Gorge goes that direction. Golden Throne is over there. Petroglyphs Narrows, Pioneer Register, and Tanks that are down that one. Huh. Yeah, look at that. Base of Golden Throne, 2 miles. That's what the beginning of it starts, right? It looks like this. You kind of see rough steps over there. Man alive. I guess heads up that direction. Wow. Beautiful back here. Look at that. Oh man. Okay. I think that's about it for here. We got a ways to go. We got to get to the other side of Bryce Canyon National Park to where we're staying tonight. We're driving on our way out now. So we're kind of coming out of the narrower canyon part now. Into sunlight. Ooh.
Pleasant Creek Road.
Okay, we just got back on the paved road now again. Yippee! Until they do get rain here, they have the water flow right over the road. There's no culverts here. Another one. You see where the there's several of them in a row right here. Wow, traffic. Wonder what it's like in summertime here. A whole lot more traffic, I bet. Sure like it now, though. Hardly anybody. What about that? Marmot Crossing. Alright. I don't see any marmots around. There's the campground again. Deer there still. You move further in, further away from the road now.